What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ship Chuju once again from Florida, USA. So today guys, I got here $30 past this road to 1 million. And today I got here, I found 5 times. And I got a match of number 9 and number 15. So the winning numbers is 37, 63, 43, 9, 46, 16, 6, and 44. So we found here a match of number 9, $14, and a match for 16 for another $5, and 5 times for $5, that's 25. That's altogether $40 winner. So I have here also another winning card. We got $10 struck by luck. Now we're going to find out if how much the price of this one. So we found a stone. So we're going to scan on this machine. $20. Okay, not bad. $60. So I bought my ticket here on this machine. That one. Thank you and have a good day.